Hey Diane, I was playing around and I came up with another idea that maybe it's going to be handy for you. It's basically once I had built the spreadsheet and everything, I don't know your workflow well enough to know if this would be handy, but basically, I just, you could put all this stuff on a web page and I'll share this with you so it's not shared out publicly or anything. Um, anyway, this is your project. So, I embedded the spreadsheet. I talk here about how this is the spreadsheet. And actually, you can see the whole spreadsheet. So you could, actually jump to any one person's line in there if you wanted to. I'm looking at the overview there, of course. You can also use this little button here. That pops it open so that if you wanted to have that open, you could pop it open with that. So again, this is all running out of the web page. And then if I scroll down, the other thing that's kind of cool is I've taken and put all the data on a Google slide presentation because I thought maybe it'd be easier to read. And with this example, you can just pop this open full screen. This is a Google slide presentation that is just pulling the data, sort of a subset of the data, and it's automatically updated based on what you do. And this is a slide, so if I, click my button, I go to page 2, page 3, and also, I can turn on my laser pointer and go, hey, we need to talk about this, we need to talk about that, turn my laser pointer off, click, go to page 4, and so forth. And then go back out of being full screen, and again, what happened, that's all within the web page. All I did was click on the little button here. And then, of course, the Data Studio project is also embedded in here. And you can always open any one of these projects automatically by simply clicking from the web page. You could open up the sheet, the Data Studio project, or for that matter, this presentation. So anyway, just another way to think about making your data maybe easier to see and read. I thought perhaps, when you look at this text is hard to read, and maybe this is where, you could, again, go full screen on your presentation. And then, I have a Mac, so I can sort of zoom in, and you might have a Mac as well, and I could actually zoom in and read that if I was presenting on a big screen. So anyway, just a couple ideas that I thought might be handy dandy. So making a little video and pushing it out there as well so you can see. Have a great weekend.